Will Weidig showed off some of the props he made while working at the UCSD Department of Theater and Dance, but his job will end because of university layoffs.
We've been permanently laid off. I think it should be more adequately described. And the new positions, a couple of the departments have been combined, so there's positions being lost there. None of us have been guaranteed the new positions, and all the new positions are paid at a lower, simply put, paid at a lower pay scale. I think that the university's decision to restructure the department, many of us believe in many ways that this is a reflection on their changing attitudes and their commitment to the arts. And we're not isolated in this whole concept of defunding and otherwise eliminating aspects of the fine arts education that this university provides. In many ways, we feel that as artists and as artisans and as craftsmen, that not only is our work not appreciated, but that artists do not feel safe in this new university environment. I think that's kind of the bottom line, is that with these cuts, it's just another nail in the coffin of the arts.
Beth Accomando, KPBS News.